Hi guys, it's Elissa at Moat Cottage, and today I'm going to show you how I make my mango sauce, which is great on top of salads or chicken or duck. It's mango season, and although I don't grow the mangoes, they're a good price at the shops at this time of year. So I buy up and I make my mango sauce and I can freeze it in sealed airtight containers. And then I have it stored away, ready to defrost when I need it. In my mango sauce recipe, I use chilli. Now this is the homegrown chilli that I dehydrated in my car. I'll leave the link above. You use as much as you like or as little as you like, or you can leave it out if you don't like spicy stuff at all. I use the flesh of mangoes and some lemon juice as well as some light sour cream, but you could also use normal sour cream or Greek yogurt. And these lemons are homegrown. I start off by deciding how much chilli I want to use. Now I'm going to be using 2 mangoes in this recipe, so this chilli is fairly strong, so I'm going to use about that much. It doesn't need to be much. It's not meant to be the highlight of the dish, it's just meant to be a side note. I'm going to put it in my mortar and pestle and then just grind it up into a powder. Always make sure you wash your hands after you touch chilli because you don't want to get it in your eyes or anywhere else for that matter. I take the flesh out of the mango and I put that into my blender as well. Mangoes have a flat oval seed and you can try and get as much of the flesh off as you can. And I'll put that out with the poultry and the chickens can peck at that. And the skins I'll put in my worm farm and the worms will love those. Next I add in the lemon juice, and the amount of lemon juice you use will depend on the consistency you want your final product to be. It also depends on how juicy your lemons are as to how many lemons you'll be needing. So I will put the recipe below, but it is variable depending on the size of your mangoes and how juicy your lemons are, like I said, and what you want your final product to be like. I'm not someone who follows recipes, so I usually just put the ingredients in and tinker with it if it needs to be tinkered with. Next up, I've got 3/4 of a cup of light sour cream. And by looking at that, I'm thinking we're going to need a little bit more lemon juice. I'll give this a blend up and then we'll check the consistency to see what it's like. And that's exactly the consistency I'm after. And now for the taste test. Perfect. You could add a little bit of salt if you like salt in yours, but I think that's perfect just how it is. This batch is ready for the freezer, and I'll put some in a container for tonight's dinner. And this last one will go in another sealed container for the freezer as well. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.